Hello, welcome to the review from the United Kingdom. Today I'm going to open something actually rather special. It's a pre-Christmas gift. Stay tuned. Just popping another bauble on the tree, making sure the tree is all festive and sparkly and nice this year. And we've got this absolutely fantastic present to open. So we'll open it and we'll have a look. It's basically a pre-Christmas gift from my partner, and we'll open it and we'll see what it is. No idea what it could be. So let's start the ball rolling and we'll have a look. Apparently it's not really 6mm related, but it is, if you know what I mean. Apparently. So we'll open it and we'll have a look. Apparently it's something I can use for one of my videos, like the Day of the Robot movies. So let's open it and we'll have a look. Oh my god, this is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I can use this for one of my Dead Robot movies, one of my Tales movies. I mean, look at that. It's actually got lights you can switch on. I've never seen this before. Absolutely fantastic. Unbelievable. Just going to thank my partner. Just 1 second. Thanks for that. Absolutely fabulous. Absolutely fantastic. Yes, so it's got lights and everything. Beeping horn as well. Phone rings. So there we go. Let's have a look. Oh, instructions. Tells you about how to turn on the horn and how to turn on the lights, which is very good. So let's have a look at the vehicle. There we go. Actually very good. Turn the lights off and on. Off and on. Where should I put this sticker? Should I put it there? Or should I put it on the back so it looks quite classy? So have a quick look here first. I've stuck it on the back, it looks okay. With it on the side of the car, which is a lot better. That's better, it's on the side of the car. So this is basically Jamie and Steve's new car. Obviously it's a old 1980s Cindy car, but it's been transformed into a 6mm man car and Bionicbrit car now. See there, they've got the lights there, which you can switch on, turn that on as well, like an ignition. There we go. The lights come off and on as well. There we go, there's the lights coming off and on. It's really good. Some stickers on the side and some stickers on the front. So yeah, you got a horn as well. And an old fashioned 1980s phone sound, which is I'm quite impressed with that. You've got the stickers on the front and you've got it on the side as well. So not too bad. By the way, Merry Christmas to everybody. Yeah, got a bit of a snowfall here. There we go, looks okay. So I probably can use that for something in the future. Hello, welcome to another review. Hello, welcome to another review from the United Kingdom. Today I've got... Hello, welcome to another review from the United Kingdom. Let's put it back down on the ground. There we go. Very good. As I say, I'm quite impressed with that. As I say, So this is Jamie and Steve's new car.